So the Amy project is about really showing the potential of AI and autonomous systems to be used for industries both within our region but also for the whole eastern and middle Sweden. So one area that we look at is how humans and robots can collaborate together to perform a common task. One case that we worked on, AutoHic, involves a company in Karlskoga, MH Engineering, and together with our researchers have developed new methods to enable the teleoperation of heavy industrial robots. Along the lines of human-robot collaboration, we also have another case called AutoDive. Again, using a lot of the same technologies, we move from a heavy industrial environment into an underwater scenario, where we again see how teleoperation can be used in order to control underwater vehicles. So another common theme that we have is looking at when two robots or more need to collaborate together to solve a task. And one case, AutoDPP, looked at the scenario where you have drilling robots for mining industry collaborating with each other in order to solve the task. Along the theme of collaborating robots, there was also a case called CoRob. And in CoRob, here we look at how different types of robots, whether it's a ground vehicle or a drone, can communicate with each other, share information, and again, solve a common task. Not all our cases involve robots. Some of our cases also involve state-of-the-art technology, and looking in particular about how humans can benefit of new forms of technology like VR. In a case with Kopparbergs Bryggeri, we took a look at how a brewery that has a lot of seasonal workers can make use of VR in order to rapidly train workers and get them going without necessarily putting expensive equipment at risk or suffering from too much downtime in getting the workers trained. Really, to look at the state-of-the-art of AI and autonomous systems, a fundamental ingredient is handling sensor data. And we are dealing with more and more sensor data everywhere around us. And this is very much true in one of the cases we examined called digital twins, where we look at a digital twin, but we take it one step further by adding a layer of AI that's able to look at how you can combine a digital twin with real-time sensor information. One thing is clear is that we are going to be facing a number of very large societal challenges, and we want to make sure that AI and autonomous systems are being used to help us confront those challenges. We have two such cases in this theme. The first case is a case that we call AgTech, where we're using mobile robots to help in agricultural settings in order to transport items from one location to the next. The other example is looking at how we can use both sensing technology and automation to facilitate indoor growing. Here we created a test bed called LUMAS, which we could play around with different parameters like soil quality, lighting quality, and really investigate how we can bring indoor growing in a sustainable manner to the market. We've had a number of experiences within this Amy project where we've seen where the new challenges are. We need to be better at working with our small and medium-sized enterprises. We need to be better at really demonstrating the true value of AI and autonomous systems for businesses, and we need to be better at really using this technology to help us confront our societal challenges going forward.